All right, everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated as always. Going to be doing another review today on Coco Swap. I'm on their website here, coco-swap.finance. I'll leave links in the description of the video. Before I begin, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Do your own due diligence, invest at your own risk. Before I begin, just want to also mention that I'm having a $50 in Bitcoin giveaway. There's the link in the Gleam giveaway video I did. You can check that out for the link to my Gleam giveaway. $50 in Bitcoin to one lucky winner. There's only a few days left to enter, so please feel free to enter for free. You can enter for free there. Just follow the link in the description of that video. Another thing I just want to mention, please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already done so, hit that notification bell. That way you get notified of my videos as soon as they come out. If you like this content, if you could give me a thumbs up, would be much appreciated. Just helps with the YouTube algorithm getting my videos out there. Just trying to get to that 1,000 milestone subscriber milestone. If you could subscribe, like I said before, much appreciated. Okay, so welcome to Coco Swap. Coco Swap will be the next generation swapping platform for Web 3.0 iOS, Android utilizing the Coco token. Binance Smart Chain blockchain, it will provide much faster and easier swapping than the current traditional platforms. Okay, so the first thing, what is Web 3.0? Some of you guys might not know that. I pulled up just a quick definition on Google, also known as the decentralized web, the third version of the internet, which is an improvement over the current Web 2.0 internet. It's believed to be more user-specific, which will ensure data security, privacy, while avoiding the risk of internet hacking. I'd like to see this here. You can chat right away if you wanted to. Just click over here. You can ask some questions. Or you can click here, and they have a link where you can buy Coco on Pancake Swap. You can see the contract address here. And they have a Telegram link here. There's the current price. Again, Pancake Swap, and this is their Binance Smart Chain scan report. You can click on that to pull up information like how many tokens there are and how many users. Coco Swap token will be the fuel behind the Coco Swap decentralized platform. It is a progressive deflationary token built on the latest DeFi protocol systems. The main goal of the token is to provide decentralized network transactions with a faster time and a cheaper exchange fee. The path forward for Coco is determined by market fluctuations, but the model it runs on begs Coco to succeed. You can click on here, which if you watch my other videos, one of the important things to look for is liquidity pool lock. You can click on that. I like to see that. Very convenient and an easy way to see the total LP value and token supply that is locked, all lock amount. Percentage lock is 23%. And it's locked until November 3rd, 2022. So I like to see that. That's important. All right, let's get back to the website. We're going to go over the white paper in a second. Buy and hold Coco Swap. Holding Coco brings rewards, but liquidity option is crucial in many ways for the complete and ongoing development of Coco Swap. Additionally, the more transactions on the network, the higher the demand for Coco Swap. In the near future, we will be offering farming options available on the Coco Swap platform. Web 3.0 and mobile app launches as well. So Coco Swap team, another important thing to look for, and I don't really see any information about the team. We'll see if there's anything in the white paper about the team. Also very important, I like to see team members' faces and names, and preferably a LinkedIn profile link That way you can see their qualifications, educational background. So here's a video on how to buy Coco Swap token. You can watch that when you get a chance. And if you're interested in looking at this project further. So they do have a tax on their transactions. They're saying to set the slippage tolerance to 8%. So 2% of all transactions goes to holders, 2% token burn, 3% project incentives. Here's the roadmap. You can see what they've done. And they're planning on doing this quarter. They plan on releasing their Coco Swap platform on Web 3.0, iOS, and Android, and development start of an in-app cryptocurrency purchase with credit card. Definitely like to see the app. Makes things very easy. So I have some videos down here you can watch at your leisure. Coco Swap mobile application development started. How to buy. Progress. You can join their newsletter down here. Some articles. I guess it was the second trending token on CoinMarketCap back in July. And to contact them, link information there. They have Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, and YouTube. Here's their contract link to their contract address and the white paper. So another thing I like to see is a contract audit. I don't see one, and I don't see any plans to do one in the roadmap. So that's important. Definitely want to find out about that. So let's go to their white paper. I have it up here. Coco Swap is the next generation autonomous yield and liquidity protocol, which will include Web 3.0, platform iOS, Android decentralized apps. Coco Swap protocol will enable users to exchange cryptocurrency, NFTs, and other derivatives through its autonomous yield protocol. The liquidity, on the other hand, will enable seamless and easy staking options for users to incentivize the network while earning rewards. So obviously you want, like I said, you want an audit done on the smart contracts. Third-party audit. I don't see one here on the website, and I'm not seeing it over here in the table of contents on the white paper. So something you want to find out about. Static rewards, LP acquisition, manual burn. A common misconception with the heavy APY, annual percentage yield average, is the subjectivity of the impermanent loss from staking and a liquidity provider and a farming reward generator. Okay, so some of you might not know what is impermanent loss. So I have Google definition here real quick. Impermanent loss happens when the price of your token changes after you deposit it in the liquidity pool. But since you've deposited it into the liquidity pool, you're stuck with the original price, resulting in a 50% impermanent loss. The good news is this loss could be temporary. So again, you can learn more about that on your own. But that gives you a basic idea of what they're talking about when they say impermanent loss. I thought that would be important for you guys to know. With the explosion of DeFi, we have seen too many new cryptocurrency prospectors get sucked into a high APY LP farming trap, feeling hopeless as they are pushed out by early buyers with higher staking rewards. We've all been there, seeing those shiny 6-digit features that can be pretty damn tempting to jump in. However, almost always the token suffers from the inevitable valuation bubble, which is then followed by the burst and the impending collapse of the price. This is why we have seen the mass adoption of static rewards, also known as reflection, a separate concept that seeks to eliminate the troubles caused by farming rewards. Coco Swap protocol employs 3 simple functions: reflection, and LP acquisition, burn each trade. Transaction is taxed 7% fee, which is split 2 ways: 2% fee, redistribution to all holders, 2% fee burned. 3% fee is split 50-50, half of which is sold by the contract into BNB, while the other half of the Coco Swap tokens are paired automatically with previous mentioned BNB added as liquidity pancake swap. So this swap, this protocol, this is pretty standard in these hyperdeflationary tokens. Um, a lot of projects will have different taxes, but they'll usually have taxes, and this isn't really anything new. The static rewards, it's interesting thing that they're going to have, something different, trying to protect against impermanent loss. Static rewards all solve a host of problems. First, the reward amount is conditional upon the volume of the token. The mechanism aims to alleviate some of the downward sell pressure put on tokens caused by earlier adopters selling their tokens after farming crazy high APY. Second, the reflect mechanism encourages holders to hang on their tokens to garner high kickbacks, which are based upon percentages carried out dependent upon the total tokens held by the owner. So they're trying to use the taxes to alleviate the impermanent loss issue. Roadmap. We kind of went over that, but you can check that out more when you want. So here's the Coco Swap tokenomics. It's a progressive deflationary token built on the latest DeFi protocol systems. The main goal of the token is to provide decentralized network transactions with a faster time and a cheaper exchange fee. The path forward for Coco is determined by market fluctuations, but the model it runs on begs Coco to succeed. Binance Smart Chain, max supply is 150 billion. Circulating supply, 144 plus billion. So again, it rewards its holders through a tax, 2% goes to holders, 2% burn, 3% project incentives. So it looks like they're also gonna have a manual burn. Sometimes burns matter, sometimes they don't. A continuous burn on any one protocol can be nice in the early days. However, this means the burn cannot be finite or controlled in any way. Having burns controlled by the team and promoted based on achievements helps to keep the community rewarded and informed. The conditions of the manual burn and the amounts can be advertised and tracked. Coco Swap aims to implement a burn strategy that is beneficial and rewarding for those engaged for the long term. Furthermore, the total number of Coco Swap burned is featured on our readout located on the website, which allows for further transparency in identifying current circulation supply at any given point in time. So they're saying that they have a burn readout on their website, and I don't see that anywhere. Let's go over real quick, see if there's a burn readout. I'm not seeing a burn readout, so maybe that's in the works. I don't know, something you definitely want to find out about. So automatic liquidity pool. So again, the taxes from the transactions go into the liquidity pool. Contract sucks up tokens and sellers and buyers, adds them to the liquidity pool. Second, the penalty acts as an arbitrage resistant mechanism that secures the volume of Coco Swap. So obviously, if you sell, you're going to get taxed. So the theory is that it acts as an arbitrage resistant mechanism. Web 3.0 Coco Swap platform. It's going to offer farming features. You'll get rewards for it. Coco Swap Farms will offer multiple farming opportunities. You can stake your LP tokens and earn Coco's tokens in return. And it goes over, gives you an example of what happens when you add liquidity. And that's going to be it, guys, for the white paper. Let's shoot over to CoinMarketCap real quick. Here's the price. Circulating supplies, a little bit over 143 billion Coco. Their links, white paper, Binance Smart Chain address. So it's been kind of leveled off, not really going up, not really going down. They talk about, again, what is Coco Swap? Who are the founders? The developers of Coco Swap are anonymous, which is not unusual for a token of its market capitalization. Investors are therefore advised to proceed with caution when purchasing Coco or similar tokens, as projects with anonymous developer teams have been known to exercise rug pull and exit scams in the past. So this is important. This is exactly why I tell you guys that you want to see names, faces, and LinkedIn profile links so you can do due diligence on the team members. When you have an anonymous team, you have to be aware of this. That's very risky. And I'm not seeing an audit on the contract. So again, risky. Not only rug pulls, but they also can code things in the smart contract to make it so that you can't sell your tokens, but they can. And then they exit. It's an exit scam. This talks about what makes Coco Swap unique. We kind of went over that. So they're saying that Coco Swap promises to provide investors with a safe way of earning high APY yields without suffering impermanent loss. So we kind of went over that, guys, but just wanted to show you. Always good to go over the CoinMarketCap page here. So basically, it's just listed on Pancake Swap. It looks like. So I got it here on Dex Tools. Total liquidity 105,000. It's kind of low. Volume is 17,000. Kind of low. You know, volume is important in case you want to sell your tokens without having the price crash. Market cap is 36 million. Pooled Coco 208,651,000 plus. So they have 17,117 holders, not bad. And I click on the team lock and I don't see that. So that's another thing. It's not showing any of the tokens the team has are locked for a vesting period. You definitely want to check that out. Make sure that, you know, the team can't just dump their tokens whenever they want and cause the price to crash. So I think that's going to be about it, guys. I hope I covered everything. If you have any more information about this project, please let me know in the comments section. I'll be sure to put it in the description of the video. And let me know what you think about Coco Swap. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the help, all the views. And if you have any requests for a project review, please let me know. I'll try to do it. And I hope you enjoyed the video again, guys. Until next time, this is CryptoVin. I'll see you on the next video.